Hello, today I'm going to show you how in 3 minutes create email outreach with Altair. So every Monday morning, what I do is I send an email to people in trial mode of Altair to invite them for a user interview. So before starting, the thing I'll suggest in settings profile, making sure that you filled out some information about your profile to give some context to the AI. After this is an extract from our database with email of the user and how many times they've launched Altair in the past 7 days. So what I do, I add this file to Altair and I ask, create 2 cohorts of users based on their usage. And so what Altair is going to do is going to ingest the CSV and it's going to create two cohorts of this. So you see high engagement, it gives me the list, the engagement. Okay. And now I can create the email. For each of those cohorts, create a draft in Gmail properly formatted to invite them for user interview. They get 1 month free for attending the interview. Create a drive. There we go. And because Altair is connected with Gmail, it's going to create a draft and it's going to put the user email directly in the draft. Create 2 distinct drafts so you understand why for hang engagement, each tailored. So here you can see we are using the tooling create draft to create draft in email, a checkbox, and we can check here. Here we go. Yeah, help us change the filter, get 1 text free. And you can see it's there, the people are here, and it's creating the second draft here. Up, creating second draft. Here we go. And that's it. Has creating the 2 drafts, ready to go, and set available to us, perfectly formatted. And here we go. And you can see it even give me the details of the emails that have been created. And this is it. This is how Altair can help you every day here with its integration with Gmail. Thank you.